In this video, we'll learn how to make pan-seared salmon with crispy skin. This is one of the simplest ways to make salmon for those who like to eat the crispy skin but don't want to eat overcooked salmon. For this recipe, you'll need 1 salmon fillet of about 6 ounces or 170 grams, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. Directions: season the salmon with salt and pepper. Remember to season both sides, the skin as well. Turn the heat on medium and heat the olive oil in a medium skillet. Once the olive oil is hot, add the salmon fillet, skin side down. Turn the heat down to a minimum. That way, the skin will get crispy without cooking the entire salmon. Wait about 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, the skin should be crispy and the other side is still uncooked. Turn the heat up to high and let it cook for another minute. Flip the salmon. Cook until crispy and brown, or to your liking. About a minute or 2 should be enough. To make sure you're getting the temperature you want, poke the salmon and compare its firmness to the fleshy part of your palm. We've made another video explaining how to test the doneness of protein. The link is on the description below. If the doneness of the salmon is to your liking, remove it from the pan and plate it. The salmon is ready to eat as is, but can be eaten with a variety of seasonings and garnishes, like lemon, soy sauce, grated daikon radish, dill and garlic butter, and it can be paired with the sides of your choice. Here on our channel we have other salmon recipes. The links are on the description. As always, thank you very much for watching. If you liked this video, you might also like one of the suggestions we've picked for you. Also, subscribe for more. We upload a new video every week discussing some of the most asked questions on and offline. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave it in the comments. It might become our next video. See you next time.